Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you some digital eye strain tips. The main problem when we use a laptop or phone is a long-term static focusing our eyes on the screen. We fix our gaze for a long time and at a close distance. This causes overstrain of certain eye muscles that is for a long time in the same position. The gaze is fixed at one point. How to get rid of digital eye strain? The eye muscle can rest either in a certain dynamics when we walk, for example, and look around at the different distances. Either our eyes rest when we look at a distance of 5 meters or 16 feet. In this position, no eye muscles are tense. That is, both the oblique and rectus muscle of the eyes are relaxed and the eyeball is almost perfectly round. Because if we look far, it begins to change shape and become a little flat as the rectus muscle begin to work. You must very often give your eyes a rest, because otherwise by itself relaxation will not come. You can set some kind of timer to distract yourself and give your eyes a rest. And this process is better to make interesting and enjoyable. It's also necessary to train yourself to look around often. We need to accustom ourselves to the fact that our gaze just wanders. No need to stare at your laptop or phone for more than 20 minutes without rest. Realize that your gaze can, while you are doing something, from memory. Print something, for example, you can calmly look around the room with your gaze. We need to accustom ourselves to this behavior at the computer because we are automatically accustomed to staring at the screen and not looking away. Because the habit has already developed, and this habit should be gradually changed to another habit of actively looking around you. A new habit can be formed in a couple of months, maybe even in a shorter time. Move your gaze from your computer, phone in different directions. For example, while a video on YouTube is loading or advertising is going on, give your eyes a rest. Close them for 10 seconds and you can continue to watch. You just need to develop the habit of doing it. Subscribe to my channel to improve your eyesight naturally.